Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Etsy ads account. Do you want more traffic without leaving Etsy? Here's how to set up Etsy ads step by step. Now before we start and get into these steps, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how to set up your shop on the Etsy platform. You can use either the website or the app, and you can download the app via the Play Store or the App Store, depending on which device you use. Then you're gonna make sure to sign in with your account. You're gonna click on your account, then you're gonna sign in, and after that, you're gonna click on your profile icon. And from this drop-down menu, you're gonna select Become a Seller. Then you're gonna access the Shop Manager, where you're gonna fill in information about shop preferences. You're gonna name your shop and how you will get paid, and you're gonna share also your billing infos and your shop security. Once you finish setting up all these informations, the second thing is to click on marketing. You're gonna go back to your Etsy account, then you're gonna click on Shop Manager right here. You're gonna click on this icon, and you're gonna be directed to the Shop Manager section, where you're gonna click on marketing. Now, you're gonna select more and click and choose marketing. Then you're gonna choose Etsy ads. You're gonna select them. After that, you're gonna start advertising. You're gonna set your daily budget, and this should be the maximum amount you're willing to spend to advertise your items per day. The default minimum daily budget is $1. You can remember that you can change your budget at any time. Then you can select start advertising. And where after that, you're gonna monitor the results. Etsy will automatically promote your listings and search results across all platforms, so monitor the results and track impressions, clicks, and sales inside the ads dashboard. You can start small, then test the performance and increase your budget only if you're profitable. And that's it. That's how you set up ads to boost your shop visibility. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.